shirt I got on right now. This is Fashion Nova, man. If you were wondering. And before I get into this video, right, I want y'all to go to BigBossJawon on YouTube. Go to my channel, subscribe to me. I know a lot of y'all that might be new viewers. Hello, new viewer. Subscribe, watch them videos, like, comment, hit the bell too when you subscribe so you know when I post the videos. It's your boy BigBossJawon back with another. It's your boy BigBossJawon back with another video. Yeah. Today's video we're gonna get into my closet. We're gonna see what Jawon wears. You know what's in my closet. Let's go. Bloopers. All right. So first thing in my closet, and this is new. I just bought this. It's Under Armour shirt. Just bought this. Under Armour, guys. Get your armor. Get your armor. But now next, this is old, but this is in my closet. This is a Polo Ralph Lauren. It's like, I don't want to say hoodie, but it don't really feel like a hoodie, but I guess we could say it's a hoodie. You know, it's real thin, but this is Polo Ralph Lauren, guys. This, the next thing I have in my closet, this, we all know what this is. This is the gown that I wore when I crossed the stage, guys. This is what I wore right here. I still got the cap. I ain't trying to look for that, but I still got the cap. This is the gown, you know. The proudest day of my life. This is a neat little, like, almost, it's like a no-sleeve jacket in a way with a hood. You know, it's like kind of like for the winter. You know, I'm definitely not wearing it now. It's hot outside. Not gonna wear this now, but pretty neat. You know, I gotta stay with a dress-up outfit, y'all. You know, it ain't just designer. You know, gotta stay sharp. This I use when I go out to exercise. I put this on, right? Put this on. It just like grip my body for real. And then when I'm outside, it's already hot outside. I start sweating, burning the calories, you know. But yeah, this is what that does. It got a hood on it too. It's pretty neat, you know. Pretty neat. Adidas. I got the sweatpants to match it too, but the Adidas sweat jacket. The back ain't really accurate, and I'm still with this organization to today. And this is my organization. This is something I'm very proud of, happy about. Jawon and crew, this mean a lot to me. 2019 was my year with this. You know, it still could be my year. Anything I put my mind to can happen, you know. But Jawon and crew, need some help? I see opportunity, I take it. I don't waste no time, we get straight to it. Let's get it, let's go. This is a regular H&M jacket. The hood on it. I think this H&M. Yeah, H&M. Nothing too special. No, I'm a basic person. Y'all gonna see that about my wardrobe and everything. Basic. It ain't too crazy or nothing. It's just me. Just how Big Boss do it. This H&M too. I'm gonna say, yeah. Just double checking. No, this is H&M. You know, I love H&M. I love H&M, Adidas, so on and so on. You can see the other designers too I got, but yeah. Nice little jean jacket. I got jean pants to go with it. You know, a whole little fist to go with it. But yeah, jean jacket. Next we have dun 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 Lacoste shirt. I like Lacoste. It's pretty cool. You know, with the alligator. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Regular little Lacoste shirt. I ain't too big on designer, but it's alright, man. It's alright. The brand I cannot ever get enough of. Adidas. 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 But yeah, Adidas shirt. I bought this with the sweatsuit. And some more Adidas. This is my new favorite Adidas shirt. Adidas did what they supposed to do with this shirt right here. Front, back is everywhere. Just Adidas written everywhere on the shirt. I like it. Plus it's my favorite color. Hey. Can you guess what this is? Adidas. But yeah, not Adidas shirt. It's a blue Adidas shirt. Blue and white. This is Adidas. Adidas. This is H&M. Okay. This is H&M. Little basic junk, you know. Like I'm basic, bro. I don't really care. You ain't gotta be extra. You know. And we right back to the basics. This is Adidas hoodie. Adidas. Nothing on the back. Adidas. Let me fix this. This is like something dressy too. You know, I like this. This is like some casual type of attire. Jacket to put on. That joint zipping out. I like this stuff. I like casual. To me, casual dressing is for like any formal type of place. Something like that. But or dating, like you wanna go on a date or something. Just casual, you know, surprise the female. They already probably guess you to come dress, you know, comfortable, you know, instead of dressing up and putting effort into it. But sometimes you gotta go casual. This is like something like for when it's really, really cold. Like this is got fur on the inside of it. This is it's called the hot jacket. Got me hot just looking at it. I had a black one. Y'all seen a black one like this. This is a gray one. This is a gray one. I just think it, but anyway. These a regular jacket. There's nothing special about this. Very comfy. This is like one of my favorite jackets to put on. H&M. Got so many different compartments in it. It's comfortable as well. I got a couple ties. like dress ties. A couple. I should have way more than this, but we gotta get some more. Anyway, I got like 4 different ties. You know, we got the purple and black. We got the yellow, goldish, and black. Ooh. We got like a checkered black and I want to say tan, green, tan, whatever. You know. Then just an all black one. You know. Yeah, I seen it here, man. That's basically my wardrobe. You know, I got pants and other stuff put up other places, but couple pair of kicks, man. I ain't gonna show y'all too much, but you know, and these are fresh pair. Like I've been in love with the Adidas, the classic Adidas. Anyways, the classics, man. I love them. These, y'all already know these is my favorite. The green and black and white Jordan 1s. And then these right here, they was like just for exercising, but I was like, nah, I really rock these shoes. So that's what I did. Start wearing these too. I like these. They never wear. These just collect dust. Somebody come get these. Shoes everywhere. Shoes right here. These black Air Force Ones. I got slides. Ooh, I got slides. I have nowhere near a lot of stuff. I need to go to the store and get some more clothes and stuff. But, you know, I've been throwing a lot of stuff away, actually. You know, I've been throwing stuff away, getting stuff, you know. I'm getting there. I'm working, man. I'm working with it, man. You know, but I need some ideas for these videos, guys. I need some ideas. So far, I think I've been doing my thing, though. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, though. Don't be afraid to comment. And don't be afraid to subscribe. Just do it, man. Just do it. And